Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make veg tom yum soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need fresh lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves for that authentic aroma. Don't forget your favorite mushrooms, like oyster or straw mushrooms, and a good quality vegetable broth. We'll also prepare chili paste, fresh lime juice, and a touch of soy sauce to perfect the flavor profile. This simple method ensures a delicious and aromatic soup every time. Now, let's build that incredible aromatic base. Start by bruising 2 stalks of lemongrass and thinly slicing about 1 inch of galangal. This helps release their fragrant oils. Next, gently tear 4 to 5 kaffir lime leaves to enhance their citrusy notes. Add these to 4 cups of simmering vegetable broth. Let it all infuse for about 10 to 15 minutes, creating a deeply flavorful foundation for our soup. With our aromatic broth ready, it's time for the vegetables. Add about 1 cup of sliced mushrooms, like oyster or straw mushrooms, and any other quick-cooking veggies you enjoy. Simmer them for around 5 minutes until they are tender crisp. Now for the magic. Stir in 2 tablespoons of tom yum chili paste, 3 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Taste and adjust to your preference for that perfect sweet, sour, and spicy balance. Our delicious vegetarian tom yum soup is almost ready. Once you've achieved your desired flavor balance, remove the soup from the heat. Ladle it into bowls and garnish generously with fresh cilantro leaves and perhaps a few extra kaffir lime leaves for an added aromatic touch. Serve this vibrant and comforting soup immediately. It's perfect as a starter or a light meal, offering a wonderful blend of spicy, sour, and savory notes. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.